Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest camper reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're diving into the world of practicality and comfort with the 2026 Toyota Camroad camper. Known for its reliability and smart engineering, this camper continues to set strong standards for adventure-focused travelers who value efficiency, durability, and everyday usability. First, let's talk about the interior. Toyota is well known for functional design and long-lasting build quality, and the 2026 Camroad camper lives up to that reputation. Step inside and you'll find a thoughtfully laid out living space designed to maximize comfort within a compact footprint. High-quality fabrics, durable cabinetry, and easy-to-clean surfaces reflect Toyota's practical approach to camper living. The lounge area converts seamlessly into sleeping arrangements, while large windows allow plenty of natural light inside. The kitchen is efficiently equipped with a portable cooktop, sink, compact refrigerator, and smart storage solutions for extended trips. The sleeping area provides a comfortable double bed setup, and the integrated wet bathroom includes a shower and toilet, ensuring essential home comforts while on the road. Moving to the exterior, the 2026 Toyota Camroad camper features a rugged yet approachable design built for real-world travel. Its box-style camper body sits atop a dependable Toyota truck chassis, giving it excellent balance and durability. The exterior finish is designed to withstand harsh weather conditions, making it ideal for both city driving and off-grid adventures. A manual side awning creates a convenient outdoor living space, while steel wheels and reinforced body panels emphasize reliability over flashiness. The compact dimensions make it easy to maneuver through narrow roads, campsites, and urban environments, giving drivers confidence wherever they travel. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Toyota Camroad camper focuses on reliability and efficiency rather than outright power. It is powered by a proven 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine, delivering strong low-end torque for smooth cruising and climbing inclines with ease. Paired with a dependable automatic transmission and Toyota's refined suspension setup, the Camroad offers a stable and comfortable ride even on uneven terrain. Advanced safety and driver assist features such as lane departure alert, adaptive cruise control, and parking assistance make long journeys less stressful. This camper is designed to perform consistently, mile after mile, in a wide range of driving conditions. Now let's talk about pricing. The 2026 Toyota Camroad camper is positioned as an affordable and practical camper solution. With an estimated starting price of around $85,000, it offers excellent value for buyers seeking a reliable motorhome without stepping into ultra-luxury territory. This pricing reflects Toyota's philosophy of accessibility, durability, and low ownership costs. Buyers are investing in a camper that prioritizes longevity, ease of maintenance, and real-world usability, rather than unnecessary extravagance. To wrap things up, the 2026 Toyota Camroad camper is a well-balanced blend of comfort, efficiency, and trusted engineering. It may not chase luxury headlines, but it delivers exactly what adventure seekers need: dependability, smart design, and peace of mind on the road. Whether you're planning weekend escapes or extended road trips, the Camroad camper proves that practical travel can still be incredibly rewarding. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in automotive excellence.